Welcome back to the channel Coding Help. In this video, we are going to solve the problem of weekly contest 496. This is the first problem of weekly contest, mirror frequency distance, right? So they are saying we have given the string as consisting of letter, lowercase English letter and digits, right? And we need to mirror the string. How we can mirror the string? We can change A into Z, B into Y, likewise, right? C into H. Okay. And for the digit, we can change 0 into 9, 1 into 8. Okay, got it? So we need to make the mirror array, right? Now, this is the our actual array frequency of any letter. And this is the mirror array, okay, frequency of same letter, like frequency of X in the our actual string, whatever given, and in mirror string. And we need to sum, or finally we need to find the answer. Okay, let's try to understand from the this example. We have given A, B, 1, Z, 9. Okay, how we can make the mirror? Let's try to make the mirror. We have given A, B, 1, Z, 9, right? Try to convert. This will give you Z, this will give you Y, this will give you 8, this will give you A, this is Z. This will give you 0. Okay. A is there, frequency of A is 1 and frequency of A is 1. Okay. So we can take 1 minus 1. Okay, mod frequency of B is 1, frequency of B is 0. If no frequency there, it means 0. Frequency of 1 is 1 and frequency of 1 in this mirror ring. So there is 0. Okay. Now Z. Frequency of Z is 1 and frequency of Z in mirror area, that is 1. Okay. Again, frequency of 9. Frequency of 9 in the actual string and frequency of 9 in mirror string. There is 0. So this will give you 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1. Okay. So this will give you answer truth. Right? After seeing the above example, what comes in our mind? Like we have given the string A, B, 1, Z and 9. Okay. We need to increase the count of this difference, right? So we'll increase A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1, Z is equal to 1, and 9 is equal to 1. Right? And what we need to decrease? We need to decrease the mirror. Mirror of A will be Z. Okay. B, Y, 8. This one is A and this one is C. Okay. We will decrease the count of Z. Y is not there. Keep as it is. 8 is not there. A is there. Decrease it. Okay. 0 is not there. Keep as it is. Now we need to count this 1. Okay. This will give you 0. Right. So this will give you our answer 3. It means what our mirror value is coming as a negative for this mirror string. So we don't need to consider. Now our approach will be we will increase the count. We will increase the count of whatever letter in the string, like A, we are increasing count 1. But parallelly, what we will do, we will decrease the count of mirror, like Z is equal to -1. When B will come, we will increase the count of B as a 1 and Y will be -1. Again, 1 will come, we will increase it as a 1 and will decrease it as a -1, right? Then Z will be come. So Z will come. So we'll increase the count Z is equal to 1, right? And mirror of Z will be A, right? So we'll decrease the A. Okay. Now again 9. So 9 will come. We'll increase the count of 9 as 1 and 0 as minus 1. Now our our array or index array value will be this 0 v is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1, right? 9 is equal to 1, z is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1, 8 is equal to minus 1, and 0 is equal to minus 1. We will take all the positive count for our answer, right? This is the easy one only. Just you need to think like that. Now let's try to implement it. Now let's try to understand the code. In this code, we have to take frequency array to count the frequency of letters. Okay. How many value we need to take here? 26 English letter is there, lowercase, and 10 digits is there. So it will be 26 plus 10 is 36, but we will take 137, right? Now what we can do, let's convert into character array to we have converted it into the character array. Now we'll try to traverse. If our character is letter, so in this case we will increase the frequency count of like ch of I minus a. We need to increase by 1 and we need to decrease. What we need to decrease? We need to mirror it. And mirror will be 25 minus, okay, current index will be. So, or we need to decrease it by minus 1. Else, we, else it will be digit. So, in digit case, we'll do same thing, but after 26. This will be 0. And then this will be 26 plus, and this we need to put as a 9 minus, okay. And finally, what we can do, whatever value is greater than 0, we need to count it. Integer answer is equal to 0 for integer I is equal to 0, I less than 37, I plus plus. Okay. If frequency of I greater than 0, answer uh, plus is equal to frequency of I. Okay. And finally, we need to return the answer. For the string, we need to return it. And this should be related. Mhm. Simple test case is working fine. Now let's submit it. Okay. Okay. Now it's working fine. Okay, let's try to see the code once more. So what we are doing, we are increasing the frequency count of like our characters and letters, and whatever being mirror, we are doing the negation of that one. Okay, for letter and character both. And here, whatever frequency is greater than zero, just we are counting that value in our answer. Okay, finally we are returning the answer. Okay, thanks. We'll see you in the next video.